One of the questions we always get asked is why we are doing Connect Conference 2024 and why the focus switch career, business, technology, and the new internet money. Connect Conference has just become a movement for young people. It has become a conference that a lot of young people look forward to in the city of Abuja. It's just this community we've been able to build that is filled with love, with interest, with collaboration, and everybody that comes into the building, into the hall, they're always coming with the intention to learn, to grow. And it has outgrown what we can do with ourselves, what we can do for ourselves. And everybody's just interconnected. It has become a convergence. It has become something that everybody look forward to every single year. And the quality of speakers, the people that are always in the room, the quality of network of people, the founders, the creators, everybody coming into the room, they're just the most amazing set of people you can ever meet. It's just beautiful. It's actually Connect Conference for a reason, because it's a room where you can connect with people that are genuinely interested in what you're building, in what you're doing, your career shift, your career development, everything you're doing. The people you get to meet and connect with in that room, they're just people that are going to help you to switch. And this year, we're just opening the door for everybody that is building stuff, everybody that is doing amazing things, everybody that is doing something great to just come together and connect. We're just all looking forward to it. 27th of July. This is just we having fun again, because in a room where possibilities can be better, there's just so much we can imagine and become. And the fact that people that have gone ahead, they've done so much, they've become so much, they've become pace setters. They're just going to be in that room to share their stories, to answer questions, and the fact that we're going to be having some hot conversation is just something to look forward to. People have been buying bulk tickets. 27th of July 2024, that Saturday, it's an experience that even the speakers, everybody's just looking forward to. We're just doing our best to give you guys the experience. And the least you can do is to support us, get a ticket, tell your friends to be in that room. Connect Conference 2024 is an experience that will help everybody in that room to switch business wise, career wise. There's just a new level, a different level, and we have to do it together. People are saying that the times are hard, but people are becoming successful every day, even more successful. People are even making more money. There's just a way for us to do it too. The question we should be asking ourselves is those making the money, those accessing more opportunities, those experiencing career growth, how are they doing it? And in that room, they're going to be there to share their stories, to have hot conversations, to answer questions. And where will you be? Of course, in the room. See you there. Bye.